Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got an incredible 66 Chevy C10 custom pick-em-up truck right here. Body off frame restored, a meticulous restoration, about 500 miles since it's been done. 383 stroker motor, that sounds amazing. Stick around towards the end of the video, you'll hear it run. Of course, it has air conditioning, disc brakes, all the goodies. Go to volocars.com, that's where you can read the info, look at all the pictures, and you'll find a price tag on this truck and every vehicle I have that's for sale, along with a monthly finance payment as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. For right now, let's go for a spin. What a nice truck. Unique colors, the champagne with the burnt orange metallic. You don't see another one like it. It's just nice, and it's one of those trucks, the closer I looked, the better it got. I was actually at a show in Tennessee is where I bought this. My young daughter was with me. She even stopped and she's like, Dad, this truck's really nice. So anyway, it was body off the frame restored. So underneath the truck's like brand new. It's got disc brakes at all four wheels. They painted the calipers that burnt orange metallic color. All the suspension, steering was rebuilt, has coil-over shocks in the back. Dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers. And again, it sounds awesome. Square stainless tips coming out on each side, so it's got one on the other side too. Custom, looks like a stainless steel fuel tank. You look up at the motor, it's nice and clean. High torque starter. I think this one had a chrome flywheel cover. Turbo 350 automatic with a chrome cover, and it has a remote thinned aluminum oil cooler for the transmission. The drive shaft is painted this color. In back, it's got posi gears in the rear end. The underbody of the truck is all solid, clean metal. So, yeah, underneath the truck is like new. The body, well, you got a lot of intersections here, a lot of lines, and they're all square and flush. Body, the hood, looks pristine to me. No issues. This all fits nice. The lines are great. No issues. This is all rocking and rolling, all lining up, all absolutely straight, all metal, no issues. The roof is excellent, straight. All of this is mint. No bubbles, no blisters, nothing going on here. Nothing to see here. All nice, clean. All metal, super nice. Coming around the back here, you got a nice clean tailgate, all straight, clean metal. This side of the truck is just as nice as that side. No issues whatsoever, laser beam straight. They did remove the gas filler. The tank would have been inside the truck. They've removed it, they filled this, and now the fuel is in the back, which I'll show you in a little bit. The paint, it's a metallic champagne color with this burnt orange metallic combination. The paint is polished smooth and glossy. It's all laid out uniform. It's not blotchy. There's no mismatched colors. It all looks amazing. The windshield's been replaced. The rubber gasket around the window's new. I hear ice cream music. We bought a Good Humor truck. I think it just got delivered. My dad's probably out there playing. New door handles, new trim, new mirrors. All the stainless on the sides, excellent. The chrome grille is just sparkling. The bumper, it has modern LED headlights. All hand pinstriped, really tastefully done. That front end just sparkles. Like I was saying, the side moldings are all fantastic. All the glass looks like it is new. Yeah, rear glass looks like it's new. The wheels, they're Koi's wheels. performance tires. They look like they're about 18 inch or so. I'll check on that as soon as I put my glasses on. 383 stroker, so it's got an emblem here. All right, let's check out the inside. Yeah, back here the bumper and the tail lights, all re-chromed, has LED tail lights, has some nice pinstriping here. And it is a custom tailgate, opens real easy, has these latches. I guess you'd have to buy the chain if you wanted to stop there, which I would do. So inside the bed, the walls are done in a durable bed liner, and you can see this all clean, straight metal. And then the wood is refinished with that orangish color stain. Here's the fuel. That's where you put gas in it now. You got nice stainless steel strips, stainless steel hardware. The wheels, they are 20s in back, 18s in front, and that's black chrome. They have performance Toyo tires on them. This truck was always a short bed. It was not a long bed cut. It was always an Idaho desert truck, clean body. So the jamb and the inside of the door is painted beautifully, just as nice as the outside. You'll see the custom upholstery has the diamond stitch, billet handles. The dash is all painted. You have a beautiful set of gauges. All digital analog gauges. There's 516 miles on this truck since it was built. You have the modern heat and AC controls here. A little more of the custom pinstripe. All nice and tidy and clean. This stereo is no longer hooked up. He put in a better stereo right here. Has a backup camera. We also have LED underglow lights underneath the seat. That's what the remote's for. I haven't figured out how all that works, but that's showing behind us right now. And then it's the digital touchscreen. He has it where you can run it off the key or the battery. That's what those switches are for. You got a couple plug-ins. You got a 12-volt receptacle to plug in. A low-car floor shifter. You can see the seat is upholstered like the door panels. Now look behind this seat where the gas tank used to be. Custom box with a subwoofer and two 6x9s, and then you got kick panel speakers too. This has got a pretty kicking stereo in here. And like I said, the whole inside of the cab, the doors, it's all painted beautifully. You got new mirrors, new visors, real nice deluxe polished wood wheel. Yeah, a lot going on in here, and the quality, the workmanship is really there. Door latches look new. So this is a rebuilt, blueprinted, balanced 383 stroker motor, putting out about 450 horsepower. Aluminum intake, dual feed Holley with electric choke. Look at the aluminum dual snorkel, air cleaner assembly with Spectre oil air filters. We got an HEI ignition back there. Ceramic coated long tube headers. Nice valve covers. Chrome alternator. You got serpentine belt with all the billet pulleys. Got a big aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Got an aluminum water pump. We have an all chrome power steering setup. Because of the Lopi cam, we have a vacuum reservoir here. When you have a Lopi cam, it doesn't produce a lot of vacuum, so you have an extra reserve which feeds the power brakes. It's got this, I think it's called Hammer Tech finish, and the suspension is painted in this as well. Gives it a nice look. But look how clean and tidy and proper. The battery's bolted down. It's got a new horn. Squirters are hooked up. Just a nice, nice build throughout. So there you have it. This is one killer show quality truck, you know, and it feels right, it functions right, it sounds amazing, way more power than you'll ever need. Supposedly over 90 grand was spent rebuilding this truck. Someone's going to get a heck of a bargain for what I'm asking for it. Go to volocars.com before I decide to raise the price. And the salesman can help answer your questions. They can help deliver this to your door. They can help you get it financed at volocars.com. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon so you can see the videos as they're posted. Thanks for watching.